Zhejiang Jingu Packing and Printing Company Limited is located in Wenzhou City of Zhejiang Province. Founded in 2001, and after over 15 years' effort, our company now has grown into a modern and specialized manufacturer engaged in producing and selling stationeries. We supply various kinds of products including notebooks, notepads, portfolios of over 30 series, and 800 varieties. We have set up over 28 wholesale dealers in big cities of China such as Shanghai, Tianjin, Beijing, and Guangzhou. Our company now employs a staff of about 300 persons, among which there are 35 managers and special technicians. Our company possesses a complete set of manufacturing and printing equipment, including Model 5-color print machine, paper folding machine, book sewing machine, roller page fitting and page sticking machine, and 8 producing lines which are advanced both domestically with exquisite equipment and developed technology. With total assets of over 112,080,000 RMB building area of over 14,000 square meters, we're now one of the most scalable and strengthened enterprises of the same field in China. We persist on implementing standard of strict quality management system. We have won support and deep favor of customers home and abroad.